Are your valuables safe when you travel? I have 6 things to check off your list to make sure that you have an easy, light, and safe travel vacation. I'm Andrea with a glimpse of good travels in midlife. I'm a teacher, a pilot's wife, and I help you travel easier, lighter, and in your kind of style. Okay, so number 1 is don't carry a black suitcase. Well, I guess carry a black suitcase if you want to, but pack a brighter suitcase. It's easy to identify. There's not that many out there. Mine's not super bright, but it's pink. I think I've probably seen one other pink one. And just for reference, I travel at least 3 to 4 times a month in the airport. So I don't see everybody, but I see quite a few people and their suitcases. Number 2, pack in a hardshell suitcase. Why a hard case suitcase? There's no outer pockets, no zippers to stick anything in, which is good because if it's easy access for you when you check your bag or when you put it in the overhead, that means it's easy access for anyone else. So this is a handy little clip, which is great. Everything goes inside without any access to it. Number 3, get a suitcase with a lock. You don't need a complicated lock, just one that's easy, 3, 4 digits for you to remember, so it makes it as a deterrent for people not to get into. So here mine has a 3 lock combination, but it's also TSA approved. So say if I did check my bag and TSA cannot identify what's inside and has to do a manual screening, they would have access without breaking into my suitcase. Usually I'm a carry-on gal, so I still use the zipper lock. Sometimes I have to put my suitcase and it's not near my seat, so I lock it even if it goes in the overhead compartment. Again, not foolproof, but it's a deterrent. That's what we're doing, is not making ourselves an easy mark. We're just trying to make little tweaks that are easy for us as travelers, so that if someone is looking around to be mischievous, they're not going to pick us. Number 4, track your luggage. If it's as easy as one air tag, they also come in a 4-pack. So I have one in my carry-on bag, suitcase, crossbody bag, and then the 4th one I kind of scatter between different places. Just by taking a simple air tag but hide it inside your suitcase, you can always track it in Find My iPhone app. And so you know where it is at all times. And say if your luggage gets delayed or lost, now all the airlines, you can release this information so that they can use it to track and find your luggage faster. So that's something that's just started with the airlines, which is an extra bonus with your air tag. 5, don't check anything valuable. Keep all of that in your carry-on luggage, close to you. It's never separated from you, so that you don't have to worry about anyone. If they do have to go manually through your luggage, it's not a temptation for anyone. So iPads, laptops, jewelry, anything that's expensive, or if you ask yourself, would I be really upset if this was lost or stolen? If so, carry on it goes, not a checked bag. Number 6, bag tags. Put the minimal information on your bag tag. So for me, it's just my email address. I don't put my phone number. I don't put my address. It's not needed. Since I use my air tag inside my suitcase, I'll be able to track it that way. And if you check your luggage, the checked bag tag ticket it has on there, that has your information too. So if anyone was to see this, if it's facing open, there are ones that also have a flap that keep everything closed. A lot of travelers like to use that. But if it was to be face up and anyone was to see it, all they're going to be able to get is my email and maybe spam me some email, but that's about it. There's no personal information. There's no, hey, she's not home, but here's her home address. on the off chance that that happens. Has it happened before where people's houses are broken into or they're gone? Absolutely. Does it happen often? No. But all of these 6 tips are just to help reduce your chances of having a really bad time on vacation. We're there to have fun. We're there to enjoy. We're there to relax. So if any of these 6 tips were helpful, please hit the like button. And I put out a video each week. So if you hit the subscribe, you'll be notified on a new travel tip, a new travel hack, airport security updates, and any travel updates in between. Happy travels. Number I lost my train of thought. In the iPhone app. It's not the iPhone app. It's the